Ready to upgrade your home heating and cooling with a Ductless Mini Split heat pump? The first step is to make sure to choose the right Ductless HVAC contractor in Bozeman, Montana. Why? Because every Ductless Mini Split installation is a custom installation. Did you know most problems reported by consumers can be traced back to an improper mini split installation? Be careful, because a lot can go wrong in the hands of an inexperienced installer. Ready for real comfort? Say hello to your new best friend. Mountain Heating and Cooling leads the way as the top Ductless Mini Split contractor in Bozeman. Get peace of mind with their mini split installation experts that will take care of 3 important steps. 1. They know that homes come in all shapes and sizes, so they'll make sure to match the right unit to your needs. 2. They'll ensure a proper product placement. 3. They'll come prepared to provide a professional mini split heat pump installation so you can enjoy years of home comfort. Get ready to enjoy year-round comfort with a Mitsubishi Mini Split system, because just one unit does it all. A Ductless Mini Split heat pump can both heat and cool one room, one area, or your whole house. Mitsubishi Mini Split heat pumps are dependable, ultra-functional, quiet in operation, and energy efficient. Exactly what every smart homeowner needs. Wondering if a Ductless Mini Split heat pump is right for you? Hire a contractor with credentials. Nobody knows mini splits like the folks at Mountain Heating and Cooling. They're an approved Mitsubishi contractor, consumer top rated, and have experience on their side. Based in Bozeman, Montana, they serve the entire Gallatin Valley, including Gallatin Gateway, Livingston, Belgrade, Manhattan, Three Forks, and Big Sky. Get a free consultation today. Call 406-586-4007.